In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to use Apple gift card on Roblox. First of all, you need to open the App Store. Then you need to click the profile icon in the top right. And right here, you will see an option called Redeem Gift Card or Code. You need to click on it. You need to scan your gift card using the camera, or you can just enter the code manually. So, for example, when you enter the code, click the redeem button and your gift card money will be transferred to your App Store balance. After that, you can close this and you need to open the Roblox. So if you want to use the money to buy the Robux, you need to click the Robux button in the top right. You need to choose the amount you want to buy. You need to finalize purchase and we will use the balance from our Apple account. So that's how you can use Apple gift card on Roblox. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.